Hey Lexus. Open all shades.
Hello. As Dimitris mentioned earlier, the new LM is the ultimate omotenashi on wheels. I don't need to tell you that it has a commanding presence. The design expresses luxury, refinement and strength. LM was designed from the start as the utmost VIP transporter, a new genre of limousine that was designed inside out. With a length of 5.1 meters, a width of 1.9 meters, and a height of almost 2 meters, its proportions have allowed us to create the most comfortable rear space possible. And this becomes clear as soon as the door slides open to reveal an environment that can be best compared to a luxury suite or a private jet. Cozy like a living room when you want to relax, functional like an office when you need to work. There's no other vehicle out there that can match this. And equally unmatched is the finish. The highest level of our Takumi craftsmanship has created a luxurious yet discreet ambience, and the fit and finish match our highest standards, worthy of the LM as a flagship for our brand. Let's listen to the chief engineer, Mr. Yoko, talking about this.
この LM を Next Chapter Lexus にふさわしい新型にモデルチェンジするにあたり、私ども開発陣が掲げたコンセプトは、素に戻れる移動空間です。多忙かつアクティブな日々をお過ごしの富裕層の皆様が新型 LM でご移動されるとき、心と体が整い、ご自分本来の豊かな思考や行動を生み出せる、そんな移動空間の提供を目指しました。室内は開放的なプライベート空間を意識。水平、垂直、シームレスを基調としたトリム類と手触りが良く、体をゆったり包む大型のシートと相まったまるでリビングのようにリラックスできる空間をレクサスならではの精緻な作り込みによって実現しました。
When you're sitting in the back of the LM, it's easy to forget that you're in a car. Ride comfort was an absolute priority during the development, especially for the rear passengers. It's delivered thanks to several factors. The key ones are the high rigidity of the body, the seat structure, and the motion capture technology, which all work hand in hand to reduce the fine vibrations passengers might feel and the bigger inputs that tend to cause unwanted head movements. The seats secure a stable body posture and minimize the fluctuations in visibility that can cause discomfort and motion sickness. This was important to allow the passengers to read and ride comfortably in all situations. The LM is available with two different seat layouts, a 7 and a 4-seater. The 7-seater has VIP seats on the middle row and flip-up seats on the third row, giving full flexibility to transport more luggage when needed. The large and comfortably fitting middle row seats have armrests, equipped with touch panels, while a large overhead console groups air conditioning, illumination and speaker functions for optimal functionality and craftsmanship. The 4-seater offers the full lounge experience. It comes with extremely comfortable seats with massage function, heating and ventilation, and the ability to recline to a full flat position, effectively creating a bed. Quietness has always been a key pillar of the Lexus experience, and in a car like LM it was even more important. The engineers focused on the 5 human senses and aimed to create a natural and comfortable sound environment. Unpleasant wind and road noise is reduced while maintaining the frequencies that people perceive as natural, rather than creating the artificial quiet of a recording studio, which often feels oppressive. This quiet cabin also allows you to enjoy the superior audio system. The LM is equipped as standard with a reference 3D surround system from Mark Levinson, with 21 speakers on the 7-seater and 23 on the 4-seater. The speaker layout has been optimized to generate a precise stereophonic sound with excellent spread across the cabin, creating a soundscape comparable to a high-end home audio system. In the 7-seater, the rear seat entertainment system includes a 14-inch, but it is the 4-seater that offers the supreme experience with its 48-inch wide display. This high-definition widescreen monitor can be personalized to suit different needs thanks to its 3 different operating modes. It can serve as a single widescreen with 32:9 format, it can work in cinema format, or it can be split in 2 separate screens to provide individual content to both rear passengers, supported by 2 individual headphone outlets. The screen is perfectly positioned at an optimal angle for viewing and below the partition window, hence still allowing a view of the road ahead. This partition can be opened or closed and can be rendered opaque for more privacy at the touch of a button. But our Omotenashi goes even further than this. In the 4-seater we introduce an advanced version of our Climate Concierge, which now integrates management of the air conditioning, the rear cabin lighting, the window shades and seat recline position. 5 Climate Concierge modes are available, ready to provide different atmospheres and seating positions, including a custom mode that can be tailored to personal preferences. On top of this, the rear cabin is equipped with sensors to estimate the thermal sensitivity of the occupants and fine-tune the heating or cooling to the most appropriate level. To enhance the home-like feeling, the cabin ambience can be customized with a wide range of color settings, with 14 colors carefully curated to create different moods. Relaxing, focusing, or even exhilarating, to mention but a few. The same care for materials and finish found in the rear is also present in the front cabin, with its modern, open-feel instrument panel design. The driver-focused cockpit is based on the Tazuna concept that was introduced on the new NX and then rolled out on the new RX and the RZ. Applying the same principles, the interior designers took a human-centered approach to developing the new LM. All instruments and key controls are easy to access and intuitive, allowing the driver to keep their hands on the wheel and their eyes on the road. For the driver, the superior experience doesn't stop at the luxurious cabin and the high level of equipment. The engineers took on the challenge of harmonizing 2 aspects that are usually opposite: driving pleasure and passengers' ride comfort. As Dimitris explained earlier, LM stands for luxury mover for all the occupants of the car, driver and passengers. So the same driving taste as on other Lexus models allows a natural dialogue with the car. This was achieved thanks to several elements. The vehicle's platform, the LM, is built on our acclaimed GAK passenger car platform that also underpins the NX and the RX. Then the high rigidity of the body, which also contributes to good driving performance despite the large opening doors. And various technologies which were also adopted to ensure good driving dynamics, yet maximize the ride comfort and minimize the vibrations that occupants might feel. For example, the LM is equipped as standard with adaptive variable suspension, using our new frequency-sensitive valve control that helps filter out unwanted road input. And where braking is concerned, smart stop technology automatically controls braking to smooth the change in posture that usually occurs as the car comes to a standstill. Several drive modes, including a Lexus first rear comfort option, allow the suspension, drive force distribution and vibration suppression to be adjusted. So as you can see, the engineering team took all the possible measures to keep the passengers as comfortable as possible. In terms of powertrain, the LM will be equipped in Europe with a 2.5-litre self-charging hybrid system, offering outstandingly smooth driving and ride comfort, with an excellent balance between quietness and efficiency. And here again, extra consideration has been given to the rear passengers, with an increase in the rear drive distribution via the E4 system. This ensures a stable turning posture for more seat comfort and a secure feel. Last but not least, in terms of safety, the LM naturally comes as standard with the latest generation of the Lexus Safety System Plus, our suite of active safety and driver assist technologies. The LM isn't a car that is easy to classify, because it creates a segment of its own. It only has one vocation: to deliver the ultimate in comfort and omotenashi to its VIP passengers and executives. And to do so, it draws on more than 30 years of Lexus experience, building on the extensive craftsmanship skills of our Takumi masters to give the best in-cabin experience, and exploiting all the know-how of our engineers to deliver unrivaled ride quality and quietness. It's a truly unique vehicle, and we are delighted to bring it to the European market.